Hi there, I'm Cliff Hodgkinson, and I'm going to show you Document Conductor. So Document Conductor is a tool that lets you take electronic orders from your customers and import them into Spire automatically. So especially if you're getting PDF orders, it can be kind of cumbersome and inefficient to have to take those orders that you're getting by email or whatever, and open them up and rekey them into Spire. So especially if you're getting a large volume of orders, then there can be a big stack on your desk that you're having to read and key in, or if there is a lot of detail to the order, where you're having lot numbers or purchase order numbers or extended comments that you're again having to key manually into Spire, and that's where Document Conductor can make you more efficient, save you money. So let me show you how it works here. So for every customer who's sending you electronic purchase orders, then we'll do a mapping of that customer's format. So here's one of my customers, Acme Enterprises, and they sent me a purchase order. So we'll upload that. And what we do is you have that PDF order, purchase order, and so we'll pull the information out of it, and then show it to you. So here's what the order looked like that we got from our customer. So they placed an order for 2 items. They had some tulips and some kalanchoes, and it's got all the information in here. And so then we'll pull this out. So if you have multiple ship tos for this customer, then we can read those. So in this case, when they say it's going to Resounding Software Inc., then that's our Jordan location. You can pick, is it a sales order or a quote or any of those things. The purchase order number, you can read from the file. Their order date was here, and then their required date, they want it on February 22nd. And then the items that are on there, that we will read that. And so we can read all this information, quantity, the units, the prices, all of that. And then what we'll do is we'll map what your customer calls the item to what you have in Spire. So in this case, they've already ordered these tulips. We've already mapped that. And so now it remembers that. So we just to find a match, you just start typing in here. So we do have this 4.5-inch kalanchoe. And then when I say I want to save the match for this item, then next time they order that same thing, I won't have to find it. It'll Document Conductor will have already saved. Everything looks good here. I click save on that. And what we'll do is we'll bring that into Spire as an order. And it'll just take a minute to read it. But then we have the Spire order number with all the information in here. So then if we log into Spire, then take a look at our sales. And so then we have that order right here, number 128, I believe it was. And so all that information came in. Now there are a few different options depending on the type of purchase order that you get. So I have another customer here. And I'll find their purchase order and upload it. So sometimes you will have negotiated prices with your customer, and that may not be in Spire. And so you'll want to read the prices off the purchase order. So Document Conductor supports that. We also have it where perhaps the price is in Spire, and so then you don't want to use the price that your customer put on the purchase order because it may be out of date or whatever. So in that, we support that as well. So then you won't see a price on this screen. Instead, it'll just bring it into Spire. We have the option of either choosing units or not choosing units. So if you have different units, we'll read it off the purchase order. Otherwise, we'll just use the default that's in Spire. So yeah, we have all those types of options. And then you can also add in comments here. So just to show you some of the options that Document Conductor has. So that's the basics about how Document Conductor works. If you think this is something that might be helpful for your business, then I'd be happy to talk to you further. Contact information is in my booth here at the trade show. So I'd be happy to talk to you further. And yeah, thanks a lot for your time.